Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining if it's your first time. Welcome in. All we do is make bamboo here, pandas. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Hope everyone's doing well. We trade in Nascraq every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Pandas! Today's no different. Market's about to open in 1.5 minutes. Top left of your screen. You can see we are down a little bit, pandas, but could today be the day we come out of this hole that we've been in? It's today we make accounts green again. MAGA. We do have news today, pandas. We have news at 9:45 a.m. Is it big news? Eh. It has proven itself to be big news every once in a while. The flash services PMI. Next week, we got the big news. Next week, almost every single day, we have news except Monday. Pretty high impact news. Market about to open 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Market's open, pandas. It's like a second just short if we get too curious here. Okay, it doesn't quite get there. Daily chart, big bear bar. Kind of coming out of nowhere, still big wick underneath. Let me say good morning, couple of my pandas. Crimson Demon, good morning. Let's go. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button, Austin here. Help me out today, panda. Rough 2 days for me. Absolutely, we'll help you out here. We'll help you out by providing you the best community on YouTube verified. Big push down, pandas. Five-minute chart, right? Big gap to the upside here. Large gap. 2,500 tick. It's been on this massive uptrend for a while now. It looks something like this where it breaks out. Another spike in channel here. It's flushing right now. It's definitely in breakdown mode right now. Whoa. Can we capture some of this though? Just start the day with this big flush. We're trading between the gaps right now. We're in the land between the gaps. Right, 5-minute chart. You have a gap above and a gap below. Gap here that didn't fill. Gap here that didn't fill yet. We're in the land of the gaps. Do I want to second just short is a question. Hard to say. Hard to say, pandas. Second just short here. We are in a strong downtrend. It makes sense to. I mean, if we at least get to 20 EMA, I may be interested. But other than that, pandas, I'm sitting my paws. Second short does trigger. And you lose that trade if you entered it. Now we actually touch the 20 EMA. A retest of this down here may be a decent trade. Ooh, okay. That's your signal bar now. Don't want to mess with that yet. Ooh, now this is your signal bar. Let's get a better looking signal bar, can we? Entry bar. Oh, that's your signal bar, doesn't look too hot. Does touch the 20 EMA on the strong downtrend. Might look for an L4 here, right? Fourth push up. I didn't love the signal bar. Entry bar is okay. Looking for an L4 setup. Might not get it. Might go down now. Starting to turn into a limit order market. Okay. L4 setup I'll try. But we gotta break the previous candle's high. Here we go. L4 setup. It's all the way down here though for now. Ugly looking signal bar. I think we're good here to keep it here now. Signal bar is not the worst. Risk is small in this trade. Risk is small. I'm going to take the actual risk needed, which is just this top of this bar. If we lose it, we lose it. The risk was small. That's why I like this trade. And if you're not willing to take the small risk, what was the point of entering the trade? Yeah. At least we get a nice move now. I could came out break even here. We're going to hold it because the risk is so small. It does not matter here. If we win or lose this. 5-minute candle ending like a strong bear bar. Looks better for me. Looking sus now. Looking really sus now. Trap triggers on the 2500 tick chart. Looks like it's going to fail though. Yeah, that's going to get me here. All right, we had to trap the triggers 2500. Creating his own second entry short on the 2500. That was an L4 setup. I tried. 5-minute chart as well. Pretty strong bear bar, but just absolutely gets reversed. Limit orders here. Very interesting. I'm looking for a second just short on the 2500 tick. Oh, I hate that. This trade, it's a pretty big risk though. Big risk means big reward. At least a 1-to-1 here. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, it makes sense to me. Second just short here. I mean, if it traps, maybe I'll take the trap. But I like the setup here. It looks good. Right, two key areas here. We got the trend line, also the 20 EMA. If we lose, we lose, but it's a good signal bar. Plus downtrend. We got a lot of things going for us. We got the undershoot, might lead to an overshoot though. That could hurt us. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. I mean, if I could, I would love the 1-to-2. Second entry short, 2500 tick, downtrend, two key areas. It's looking really sus right now. I just don't like the risk, right? The risk is like 20 points. Just double what I typically risk here. It looks like it's about trap. It does look like it's gonna trap here. Unfortunately. Does trigger the trap. Could be a big reversal here. It is what it is. I'll take the hit. Trap is looking sus now. Usually traps should and retrace like this. Usually they blast off right when they get triggered. That's the idea of the trap. And once the trap triggers, then it's like it just goes because you're hitting stop losses and entries and everything here. It's a lower high. Something like this maybe in a smaller time frame. Another trap on the 500 tick. We'll enter here on the trap here as well. It's gonna pop up. It's gonna end me. Fortunate if it does. It's just the name of the game though, pandas. Can't take it here. It's above the 20 MA. Currently respecting this channel here. Even a triangle forming now. Ooh, that's not good. Seems like certain death here. Certain death right now. Jeez, alright, I'm sorry. Just try to take a second to short off two key areas. It is what it is. If this triggers here, I may be interested still. That's stinky though. That's really stinky. That is certainly stinky. Starting to turn to a limit order market. That's a hard one for this. It's a failed trap though as well. Basically tick shots me. I mean, can I hold more risk than I already held? It was like 20 plus points. I'm not gonna hold more risk than that. But man, I mean, what can you do here? It's not like I was gonna raise it up a little bit thinking, oh, maybe this time if I raise it up a little bit it'll help here. No, I mean, you just gotta take the hit and move on. I try to take a couple shorts here. All not looking good. I'm gonna try this lower high. Nah, fails like entry long. That's what I'm looking for. Fails like entry long is what I'm actually looking for here. But geez, I mean, it got very confusing here. I tried to go short a couple times. What can I say? I tried. I really diddly do try, pandas, to go short here. Went short here on the L4. Went short here on the second entry short on the higher time frame. I guess I'll try here. I'll try. It's not pretty, but look for a new low at least. And if we don't make it, don't make it. keep trying to go short here. It's gonna take me out again, huh? I don't necessarily want to extend my stop loss here, but I think we still have a pretty good chance to go short or to go down. But I'm not willing to extend. I'm just willing to re-enter. Right? It's death by 1,000 paper cuts, but I'd rather do that. I'd rather do that than risk inappropriate amounts of risk here. Oof. I need big. I need big. I need big here. At least a new low, pandas. Whoa! Pandas, I mean chopped up. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. Woo, pandas. Oh, we got news. Oh man, what am I doing? I gotta wait for news to drop. No wonder it's so choppy. Oh, I'm such a fool. I kept trying to go short on this big downtrend. Multiple hits on the resistances here. And I forgot there was news. No wonder I'm being chopped up here. Pandas, I'm such a fool. Alright, we'll wait for news. Gotta get the scam and scheme buttons ready though. Whew, I'm such a fool. What was I thinking, pandas? What's going on? Oh, pandas! I've been muted for too long. I've just been complaining though, so you didn't miss much. I'm just saying that it's really unfortunate I'm getting stopped out here because we had this big push down. I was expecting another leg down, and that's the only reason why I'm holding this trade. In my mind, I'll just enter the trade again if I see another setup. I'll just enter a trade again. I'll get stopped out here, break even. If I just see another setup, I'll enter again. That's just my thinking. So I'd rather get stopped out here, risk myself from like losing a huge amount of money, and instead see if there's another opportunity to go short. And it's just, that's it. It is what it is. It's just stinky, right? Like this price action right now is just terrible. I wish I could just seen what typically happens, big push down, looking for another push down. Maybe measure move was made or something. Get stopped out, unfortunately. Had like 700 in the bag. Yeah, measure move doesn't even get made here. What can you do, pandas? It is what it is. You just move on. Next trade, yeah. Super unfortunate. Had a nice push down, but when you see this, you're thinking, yeah, let's continue. Let's keep pushing down. You're not thinking it's just going to reverse, take you out again at break even. But sometimes it does do that. And it did. And I come out here, break even. And if I like a short entry, I'll take it again. But by doing this, I prevent myself, like, let's just say this completely reverses and just, you know, just rockets. Right now, instead of losing all of this, right, I'd rather prevent myself from losing all of this, right? Like, basically, I'd rather prevent this loss here, which is 25 points. Or if I see like a good entry on a higher time frame, let's say right here, 2500 tick, I'd rather just lose, like prevent myself from winning this. Right? If I see another entry to go short, I'll take it. If you know what I mean, pandas. And it's really unfortunate day. Look at this nasty price action. I got chopped up here, kept trying to go short. It finally does make a move down, and unfortunately it just does it without me. I don't know, I could try to go short here, maybe a lower high setup, something. Pandas, I don't know, just very confusing, looks very choppy. Crazy, man. This accounts are evals or PAs. They're always PAs. Always rocking the PAs here. But I'll make it very clear if they're evals. I don't want you to think I'm like trading evals where I'm actually... I mean, I don't want you to make you think I'm trading PAs when I'm actually trading evals. That's just deceitful. Break a trend new high. I mean, feels like entry long might be my best setup here, but that's stinky, pandas. That's really stinky here. I hate that. I really do hate that. What is this nonsense? 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I should have known, right? It was right before news. I don't know what I was thinking, pandas. That's the thing I wasn't thinking. I knew news was coming, but I didn't apply it. I didn't even apply it, pandas. What was the point of that? Lower high setup. Looks decent, actually. With good signal bar. I hate to see this go without me, but I'll take the fail second entry long if I have a chance. I don't know. I guess I want to go short, but it's so choppy. I just don't know what's gonna happen here. The lower high does trigger, and it triggers an outside bar. Almost micro double top. currently. If you know, the market cycle currently is a limit order price action, so just market cycle's choppy, trading range. I don't know if I want to trade a breakout. I gotta wait for more clarity here. Second entry long. Ooh. Whoa! Do we have another news event or something? 10 o'clock? If there was, I didn't know about it. But whatever news that was bigger than the 9:45. What in the world was that? Oof. It's one of those days you don't really want to trade, pandas. I mean, look at this price action. It's horrendous. Like, have you so many overlapping bars in a row? Like, you usually just stay away from markets like this. I mean, if I wasn't streaming, I would definitely walk away here. Proceeds to keep trading though. Feels like I just short here. Do I like it? Not really. I don't know. It's nothing to say. I like to trap the trigger. Maybe fail. I would love that. Unless this is full-blown reversal now. Austin here up $300 on or $30 on my micros. That's actually pretty good. Translated, it's 300 on the regulars. Right, we trade every single day live 8:30 a.m. Sorry, 9:15. What am I saying? 8:30 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Every single day, pandas. Jeez Louise, though. I mean, this is what a move, though. What a move. Okay. You know, at least it's not going down. At least it's not going down without me. In a sense, I was kind of right to get out of my trade here because I would have lost this swing trade. Happy about that. That was a good decision. But just, I had 700 some in the bag. I wanted more. What can I say? It didn't even make a measure move. It didn't really do anything. It just made this big leg down and just V-bottomed, essentially. I wanted a pivot to work with, but didn't get any. I wanted a swing pivot specifically. Okay, this is reversing strong now. It's really pushing up here. It is a bona fide reversal here. What do we do here, pandas? I mean, I guess I trade a limit order somewhere, somehow. Overshoot, currently. I mentioned overshoots because they usually lead to undershoots. Chris Demon says, you didn't say the magic word yet? Second entry long here, floating in mid-air though. Hard to take floating in mid-air like this. Even though you're in a strong uptrend, it's hard to take this floating in mid-air. Second entry long. I want my next setup to be A1. Like A1 setup. Whoa! Whoa! What just happened, pandas? Taking a trap trade here, why not? Let's try. We'll try here, see what happens. If I lose, I lose. If I die, I die. Big spike down. Oh, it's a bear trap. Darn it. I hit with that bear trap. Real good. I thought we were getting some movement downwards, pandas. What's my thresholds at? We're about $1,000 in threshold. What is that, pandas? What is that? Just sitting in my paws is absolutely confused and bewildered. What is going on? Pandas, what is this? This is insano mode. Trap fails. And then the second entry short triggers. What am I doing? What am I supposed to do here? What am I actually supposed to do? Sitting on pause, you're right. I should just be sitting on my paws this whole time. I feel like the fact that it didn't reverse here. Man, I'll try one more time, pandas. I'll try one more time. Last time, pandas. Don't be mad at me, please. It's not my fault the market looks like this today. Closing above the 20 EMA on the freaking... Man, this is confusing. Lower high. See what happens. Oh, it's disgusting. Big push down, perhaps. We broke the inside bar on the 2500 tick. I mean, if the inside bar does play out, this is my risk reward here. The 1-to-1s here. Ooh! Pandas. It missed my target by one single tick. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do that to me. One single tick. It missed my target. Please don't do that to me. I mean, that's just rude. That's absolutely so rude, pandas. Missed my target by one single tick? What? Pandas! How rude can you be? Alright, we'll let it play out. I mean, it looks like it's pushing down again here, but that was just insanely rude. Coming at break even here if it does come back up, because I'm very highly suspicious of what's happening here. Why, pandas? It missed my target by one single tick here. It's attempting it again. Now we got 4 overlapping bars in a row, and it will probably come back up and take me out, unfortunately. There's nothing I can do, pandas. This is not my day. It's just not my day. What can you do? I mean, I gotta hold on to these. I gotta hold on to this trade. I got nothing to lose. I mean, come on, break even. That's the worst that can happen at this point. But, darn. Super frustrating, panda. Super frustrating. What can I say? Do I want more here? Do I ever win this, pandas? Do I ever win this? I'll just take the hit. Pandas, I don't know what I can do today. I can't win a trade. It misses my target by one single tick, Pandas. What am I supposed to do, Pandas? It's just, it is what it is. It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. I mean, I could hold the original stop loss, but I think this trade's done. This trade's dead. Of course, we get slippage. I can't trade today, Pandas. We missed my target by one single tick, and it just reverses on me. Oh, Pandas! Pandas! What am I supposed to do? Oh my goodness! It's just one of those days. One of those days. Missed my target by one single tick. Why must you torture me like this? Well. It's like I just short. I don't care anymore. Bandits today is just too confusing. JRS, what's right? I'm using pure price action. It's like I just shorts. Always in longs, always in shorts. Breakouts, limit orders, trading ranges, whatever it is, I'm trading. Wherever the price action calls for, that's what I'm doing. Pandas, man, this is tough. This is tough, though. I mean, price action's telling me that we're just super choppy. Super duper choppy. Outside bar reversal here, trap trade, but on a day like today, I mean, what does it mean? What does it even mean, Pandas? What does that even mean? Why else? That is called defamation. Sitting on my pause, might just take the hit today. 1600. I'm just madly confused. Not madly in love with Ronda Rousey, but madly confused about this price action. This is tough, Pandas. I mean, what in the world got chopped up here? Multiple times. I had this big short here, 700 in the bag, but comes up break even. It's just a limit order market. I don't know why I'm trying to hold my runners. I'm not sure why I'm trying to swing so much here today. Because it's obviously not a swing type day. You know what I mean, Pandas? It's just a quick scalp in and out day. I mean, we got to change our mindset here. We got to just get our scalps, get in and get out. But the thing is, my scalps are not even big scalps. I'm just trying to get one-to-ones on my trades, really. Like, this was ridiculous. Pops up and just... I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Ronda Rousey. That's her name, no? Five minute just basically tells you the story of today. is just completely choppy, right? It's the butcher house. We're at the butcher right now. We're in Chop City. And that's all it is, pandas. That's all it is. Super duper choppy today. So tons of outside bar reversals. I mean, it is days like this where I do lose a lot of money. I do lose. I tend to lose. I tend to be red, deep red on days like today, where it's just insanely confusing and very tricky. Like lots of traps. But really, I mean, should the trading be that hard today? Like, should I just sell somewhere up here? It looks like a inverted head and shoulders now. It might break out at this point. It would be when I enter this what breaks out. The timing is going to be impeccable. It just seems like you buy anywhere randomly, sell anywhere randomly. It's 50-50 everywhere. Which is the worst type of markets. I mean, look at this, pan. It's the 5 minute. We're just floating between two gaps. You have a gap up here. We have a gap down here. What's my daily chart looking like? Okay. Madly confused. Insanely confused. Umbra Udin says call it a day. I might. I really might. Jeez. Tough day today. Had a couple big swings in the books, but I wanted more. Way more. Man, I mean, that missing my target by one single tick, pandas. You know, everyone, not everyone, but there were a lot of people that took that trade. It was this inside bar trade here. Inside bar trying to get to that. Big move down, big moves up. I guess I'll try a trap trade here, whatever. Nah, I'll try the higher time frames. I was really hoping for some good price action today, but man, this has been stanky. Kellyanne in the house. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Glad I'm not trading this. Well, that goes for only one of us. I unfortunately did trade this and I got chopped up. Trap trade here. I mean, I'll take a failed trap. In this instance, I'll take a failed trap. Because we were potentially on a trend line here. And I've seen these fail many times. Like the trap triggers and just reverses, breaks your neck. If anything, people are probably buying limit orders here, getting ready to reverse this again. Let's see. Kelly got chopped up yesterday. Yeah, absolutely. Yesterday was just insane as well. It's just been very choppy and slow. I feel like until elections, like it's gonna be choppy and slow. Plus, like this last 2 weeks, there was no news. If you want some news, next week we got some big news. We got news basically every single day except Monday. So next week we're gonna probably see a lot of volatility, which is great. Hopefully these accounts last until then. I've seen this happen many times. You take the trap here right on the trend line and fails on you. Seen this many times, especially on choppy days. Traps are not your friend. Secondary shorts are not your friend. Secondary longs are not your friend on these super choppy days. Instead, I'm looking for the failed setups here. Failed setup here, failed trap here. Let's see if it makes anything. Maybe coming back to home base 20 EMA as well. I don't know at this point. If this flushes, it flushes. It's gonna go without me. I just cannot time this market. I cannot time it. It's too confusing. I cannot time this market. It is just too difficult for me. I mean, how much should I go for here? Why am I trading at all is the question. Why am I trading this market at all is the true question here right now. It's gonna be another push down, probably take me out. Okay, potentially in a good trade here. Potentially in a very good trade here. Just scalp in and out. That's today's market. Scalp in and out here. If I can get it. I'm going to keep this trade as long as we don't reverse the candle. Breaking out. I'm just gonna keep my limit order far away. I'll just, the first reversal, I'll just take it out. The first like break of a previous bar is low. I'm just gonna take it out. Just because today has been that kind of day. We finally win one, pandas. Can you believe it? It's because I traded opposite of what I normally do, right? I took a failed trap here. I usually like taking traps, but I took the failed trap that time. Bouncing off the top of the triangle, of course. The reason why I did it that way is because potentially this could have really broken out and moved big. And I wanted to have an opportunity to take advantage of that if I could. Right? I wanted to give myself some room. But the first break of the previous candle's low, I just got out. Which is a good decision, I think, ultimately here. We're basically in this triangle, so... Ooh, are we breaking down now? Feels like entry long on the 2500 tick. This might be a strong breakdown here. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows today? I'm gonna just sell here. See if anything happens. Right? We could have potentially a strong breakdown here. I'm gonna sell at the first opportunity because usually I wait too long and I get burned. For instance, getting burned might get burned here. What can you do? First signs of breakdown, try to sell. Let's see if we can get something juicy here. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Whoa! Again, first reversal, I'm out. All right, I'm out. Small little scalps. Every reversal, I'm just out. The reason why I'm kicking out every reversal is because it's been reversing every single time. We got a huge move down. Basically, I'm traumatized by this move down. Huge move down. First reversal, it goes all the way back up. So I'm just thinking today is not the day to hold any of these super, you know, to hold any big swings here. Strong bear bar, ending on its low on the 2500 tick. Means nothing on days like today, but it's there. We could look for more continuation here. People rushing in with limit orders, seems like, though. No follow through whatsoever currently on that 2500 tick. Just sitting on my pause here. If it goes, it goes. Just let it go. Do not be hasty here. Chipping away at my losses today. See if we get anything good. Ah, I hate it, pandas. I truly do hate it. Please don't hate me though. I'm looking for a continuation of the strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick. I'm going to try it on the first attempt down. But it's such a strong move back up. Such a strong move back up. Wow. Sitting on my pause, don't know what's happening at this point. Kelly, I'm gonna be on vacation. Enjoy your vacation, Kelly. Second to short maybe here. To be honest, confused. But I'll take a second entry short here. It's so ugly though. Why would it trigger like this? Strong bear bar ending near its low on the 5-minute chart as well. I mean, this is just massively confusing day today. It's like, who in the world is selling? Who in the world is buying strong bear bars? Just a madman out there is just buying these strong bear bars. Absolute wild man out there. I'll try small risk, why not? Risk is a little bigger now, but it's okay. No, thank you. All right, that's a worse type of signal bar. It's really the only, even if the setup's very good, if the signal bar is that bad, I typically skip it still. You're above the 20 MA. No longer interested in short here. I mean, what madman out there is buying this bear bar? What madman's out there buying this bear bar? What kind of crazy traders are out there just buying up this bear bar ending near its low? 2,500 tick. What crazy man is buying at the bottom of this bear bar ending on its low? Like, who's doing that, pandas? Who's actually doing that? Who has the cojones to do that? I do not. I do not. Especially that close to the 20 EMA. You're thinking it's going to be a magnet to the 20 EMA. Strong bear bar going to it. Who has the cojones to do that, pandas? I'm missing something. I'm absolutely missing something. One day, I mean, maybe at the end, market cycle is king. If you see limit orders, if you see evidence of limit orders, just no matter what, just do the limit order. Strong bear bar, limit order, buy it. Who cares? Strong bull bar, sell it, limit order. Who cares? Maybe market cycles are just that strong, or maybe today's market cycle is just that strong. Maybe that's the key. It's today's market cycle that is that strong that people are reversing these strong bear bars, strong bull bars, reversing strong bull bars. It's just the market cycle is too strong today. Now we're lifting off here. I mean, look at this. 5-minute bear bar just completely reversed. That's sick. Sickening. I mean, pandas, how do you trade days like today? That's insane. I mean, you gotta look to the left, right? This bear bar is obviously in the range here, so it makes sense. It kind of makes sense not to go short, but just to buy the limit orders, like right at the close. Look at this. Not even there's a little one tick tail here. That's how confident the bulls were just to buy it up. What in the world, pandas? John Q coming out of nowhere, killing all feminists. I'm sorry. Trading is harder than removing explosive mines. Absolutely, it's basically what you're doing. You're walking through a minefield. Just try not to bust. Oh. Horrendous price action. I'm going to sell at a strong bull bar, pandas. Just don't mind me. I'm going to just sell at the sign of a strong bull bar. I'm going to sell at the top of this bull bar. Breakout mode, I'm just going to sell it. I don't care. Okay, it's kind of strong, though. It's a little bit strong. I don't know if I want to sell it. Big move up. Super duper strong bull bar. Super breakout. Never reverse these. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't have a limit order here. The top of the trading range of all day today. Don't do it, pandas. Don't do it. Don't copy my trades. Wow, pandas, what a day. Are people reversing this strong bull bar? That's just insane-o. Absolutely insane-o, right? Strong bull bar ending on its high now on the 5-minute chart. It's just, are people just going to sell it? So that's the case. I just have so much to learn. I really have so much to learn if that is the case. Goodness gracious. Because then you're going to have to think, right? That's that same person. Let me look at another trading range. Look how crazy these days are. It's absolutely insane. Okay, days like this. That means that man probably sold here. Bought here. What? Alright, whatever, pandas. I mean, the 5-minute chart. If I were to sell it somewhere, I guess it would be here. But pandas, I have no clue. Whew. What a rough day. What a rough day. For the limit order market, if you can't beat them, join them. Bears and Bulls are making money today. Or it could be Bears and Bulls are not losing money today. Trading range day. Let's see if we can take advantage of the fact that this has been a limit order market. It has been nasty, very nasty limit order market. In fact, 1, 2, 3 pushes up. Could be a wedge top here. I typically don't trade it on the 500 tick though, like this. Very, very unreliable. But if it's hitting a nice resistance or support, it could be a good trade. How does it ask? Where's my range indicator? Turn it off for now. It just made them, like, the charts look really messy. Just holding off on it for a little bit. I'm liking this clean setup for a little bit right now. I'm liking the clean setup. Just helps me see it, I guess, a little bit better. I may put it back on though. I kind of got used to this while I was on vacation. I was trading like this. Almost nothing on my screen other than a two-legged pullback indicator. Choppy, as usual. On many days like this, you know exactly where to buy and sell. It's actually true. Maybe I'll throw it on the 5-minute. Let's see. I mean, 5 minutes says, obviously, this is the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Very obvious, yeah. What am I waiting for here, Pan? This is just terrible price action. Spiking channel currently. Second entry long here. I think it feels like entry long. I feel like we're at the top of a trading range. So I feel like entry long makes the most sense here. But honestly, nothing looks nice. Nothing makes sense really at the end of all this nonsense. Right, break a channel new high basically, and feels like entry long makes sense in my opinion. Plenty of room to get back to the bottom of the range. Trading range day today. Expect lots of reversals. Right, when you have a reversal up here, this is kind of where you want to take it. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but that's your best. Using your using what the price action has given us, that's our best bet. Second entry long does push up a little bit here. Strong push up. No longer interested. Again, I'll have my limit order here now. Again, I'll set it up near here. Ooh. 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 What kind of price action is this, Pandas? Trap trade here. I don't know. Am I missing my opportunity here? Should I just be buying down here, selling up here? Pandas, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to be tortured with me on days like today. What can I say, though? It's part of trading. Big push down, maybe. Inside bar. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Lower high. Maybe interested here. I'll try. Second to short, maybe. Okay. Glad I didn't enter that trade. Goodness gracious. Yikes. I really want a short trade here. I don't think so. I'll do that anyways. Last trade of the stream. Okay. What else did I expect? Of course it's gonna fail. I mean, what was I thinking? I mean, should I reverse it? Nah, I won't reverse it. We're at the top of a trading range. I'm not reversing it here to go into the top of a trading range. I'm hoping continuation to the bottom of a trading range here of some sort. But because today has been so choppy, I'm trying to scalp out. I'm not trying to make a big move here. I'm just trying to scalp out if I can. We're just trying to scalp out, make a new low. That's it. And if we get lucky, maybe back to the bottom trading range with this runner. Maybe bottom trading range with this runner. Maybe. First things first, though, we need to get to a new low here. If we can't get to the new low, this trade's not even worth it. I'd rather just get hit. I'd rather just get hit at this point. If this doesn't make a new low, I'd rather just get hit and move on because this trade was not even worth taking. It's not even worth winning if I can't even get to this new low here, in my opinion. So I'd rather get hit. It looks good.
Target
okay.
filled.
Wow, pandas. Is it? It's a miracle. We made money today. We do have one runner. It could be nice. Just heading back to the bottom of the trading range. That's it, pandas. This runner, we're gonna let go. Actually, let's just let this go. Let's see how far. Let's see how low it can go. We'll take it out with a stop loss, either with a 20 EMA or a swing stop loss. Just see what the market gives us. I mean, what the market has been giving us so far, most likely won't go anywhere. But I mean, we already made bamboo. This is all extra. Let's see how much more we can make, pandas. I would love to make more here if we can, but who knows. So now this is a scalping, basically like a swing stop here. Let's see if this really pushes down hard. Right now, currently on the 5-minute chart, I mean, this is what I have. I mean, maybe filling the gap here. That'd be incredible. I doubt it, though. I doubt I found the one. Is this the one, pandas? Like, there's usually that one trade that, you know, just basically just makes up for all the other trades. This could be it, pandas. Most likely just takes me out, though. On days like today, right? Limit ordered markets, like bulls are just buying at the bottom of strong bear bars. Like, what's going to stop them from doing the same thing here? Right, the 5-minute, They just buy at the bottom of this bar. What stops them from buying at the bottom of this bar? I'm just shooting for the stars, Pandas. Shooting for the stars. Ooh. What do we have here? Pandas! We have a runner. I mean, I guess I'll keep it at break even. I don't care about all this. Whatever. I want the big one. I want the big one, Pandas. I want the big one. Obvious trend line here, and very close to the 5-minute 20 EMA. It might be a good place to capture some bamboo. A good place to capture some bamboo here.
Target filled.
All right, Pandas. Pandas! Pandas. I mean, we were down, what, 1,600? We're only down 300 today. I mean, it's not the worst. The reason why I took that is because, obviously, we're in a trading range. We're hitting the 20 EMA. I don't know, Pandas. I mean, this could really keep pushing down here, but I'm traumatized right now. I'm a little traumatized. Not thinking that the market's going to really go far either way. But Pandas, we're down 300 today. I mean, we just took the right trades, I guess, at the end. We waited for the top of the trading range. We got there. We took a reversal or continuation of the downtrend. Ended up making some good bamboo here. Scalped out and then got a nice, decent runner there. 35-point runner. I mean, come on, Pandas. What can I say? What can I say? Even a tough day like today. Goodness gracious. And 5-minute. I'm glad I took it right there because of all the key areas, right? All the support here. Good. I mean, I think I almost got maxed there, Pandas. Did I really just do that? Goodness gracious. Did I really just do that? I got like max. I got max. What would have been really incredible is if I reversed it and bought here. How crazy would that have been, Pandas? If I bought here and now I'm probably green today. Goodness gracious. Trading range is really that strong today, though. Wowzers. Strong push down. Strong continuation here, actually. Interesting. It was a strong bounce, but not much to make up for it. Oh, Pandas. What shall we do here, Pandas? What do we do here? Pandas, what do I do? What do I do? I almost want one more, Pandas. Almost want one more trade here. Whew. One more trade, Pandas. That might be it. we break this low. If we break this low, pandas. Yep. All right, pandas, I'm done. Pandas, what a trade. Oh, down 1,600 now, down only 300. I almost feel like that's a win today, especially on a day like today. Almost more or less break even, but man, pandas, what a tough battle. What a tough battle that was. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Come back for some great content just like today. Goodness gracious, what a day. What a day. Definitely my biggest mistake was trading right before news, which chopped me up to like negative 1,000. If I didn't do that like initial chop up, then I wouldn't be too bad. Actually, I'd probably be green today. But it's just that negative $1,000 I started off with the stream with because I was trading before news. That was probably my biggest mistake. I should have just waited till news. I mean, it's only like 15 minutes, right? 9:45. After the news got a little bit better, but really it started to show good signs once we hit the top and bottom of the trading ranges. This is when we saw good movements. All right, pandas. See you guys tomorrow. Pandas. It's good to have you here. I'm glad to have this community. As I get tortured, I'm glad this community is here to be tortured with me. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for everything. Love y'all. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.